If you're looking to move to Raleigh and you need to find work, then this video is for you. I've spent countless hours doing the research, coming with the best, highest paying jobs in Raleigh that are available right now, and I'm sharing them with you today. Primarily, we're getting our data from the Bureau of Labor Statistics. I want to make sure that this is as unbiased as possible, and this is the most recent statistics that they've released, so some things have changed slightly, but we're going to be using this for the video. So first we're going to see that they list all the major occupational groups in North Carolina. I've gone ahead and sorted it by the annual mean wage. And so we can see that the top one is a surgeon. That shouldn't be a surprise. We all know it takes like 12 years to become a surgeon and hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of thousands of dollars in debt to become a surgeon, but they're earning $429,000 in Raleigh. So if you're really passionate about doing something like that, then great. We'll also notice that most of the top jobs on this list that are earning hundreds of thousands of dollars are in the medical field because they're so well needed. We have a huge medical sector in Raleigh specifically. We actually have the 5th largest natural sciences research hub and the largest research hub in the United States. I'd say once you get around the $144,000 range, that's when this starts to become a little more attainable for a lot of us. Dermatologists are earning $361,000. Anesthesiologists are earning $305,000. Dentists are earning $202,000. And something that's super attainable for a lot of people is becoming a registered nurse. Not near as much schooling and training, but you can still earn $77,000, which is like $30,000 more than the median salary. Not bad at all. One thing I noticed while going through this is that if you work in the education business, especially in Raleigh, you actually have a decent chance of making a good amount of money. What we're seeing here is that a bunch of teachers in physics and healthcare and chemistry and all these other science-based industries, teachers are actually earning about $80,000 to $90,000. Now, obviously, these are not the starting numbers, these are the average salaries, but this is a really good route to take if you want to teach and you're passionate about science, but you don't want to become a dentist or a doctor. The next sector that we're going to look at is admin and management, and it's no surprise that management leadership roles are going to pay a good amount. Same thing applies here in Raleigh as they do everywhere else. We have 14 Fortune 500 companies that have headquarters in the area and a bunch of other smaller ones. A financial manager, for example, makes $161,000 on average. An advertising and promotions manager makes $160,000 on average. A computer and information systems manager makes $158,000 on average. Marketing managers make $144,000 on average. We have compensation and benefits managers. We have sales managers making $136,000. We have public relations, human resources, purchasing managers all making over $130,000. If you're willing to teach business and you have your business degree, then you can earn up to $90,000 on average teaching post-secondary business. We have public relations specialists earning $81,000 a year. You can work for big Fortune 500 companies doing this. A business operations specialist earns $76,000. And then we have a human resources specialist who earns $70,000, which is still well above the national average. Top employers in the area include IBM, Red Hat, SAS Institute, and Duke Energy, but there's so many more like Apple, Dell, Amazon, really anywhere that needs management. The next sector we're going to discuss is technology and IT. We are a top 10 tech market for young tech professionals, and we are the second fastest growing tech hub in the United States. A computer and systems information manager earns $158,000 a year on average. A software developer earns $125,000 a year, and this is honestly a relatively easy industry to get into, and you can usually do this online as well. Other opportunities include database architects earning $124,000 a year. We have data scientists who earn $119,000 a year. Engineers on average earn $106,000 per year. Computer programmers, they earn $104,000 per year. This is also something you can easily do online. And then we have network and computer systems administrators earning $89,000 per year. Top employers include Cisco, Lenovo, Google, Dell, and Apple, but there are many, many more to choose from. Now, North Carolina has a decent financial hub going on, especially in Charlotte, but here in Raleigh, we still have a lot of big companies like Bank of America, for example, that are having a huge presence in the area, opening up job opportunities in the financial sector. Some top job opportunities other than management include financial risk specialists who earn $119,000 a year. Personal financial advisors earn $132,000 a year. Financial and investment analysts earn $97,000 per year. Securities, commodities, and financial service sales agents or brokers earn $90,000 a year on average. And lastly, budget analysts earn $77,000. We also have top employers like Wells Fargo, we have BB&T Corporation, PNC Financial Services, and Fidelity Investments. Another huge sector for Raleigh is our education and training sector, and this shouldn't be a huge surprise if you're familiar with the area because we have a lot of education and research going on in Raleigh. We have 3 Tier 1 universities, highly ranked universities like Duke University, for example. Our school systems in general are just highly ranked. Some of the highest paid teachers teach law in post-secondary, earning $140,000 a year, or health specialties teachers, earning also $140,000 per year. Others include economics teachers earning $122,000 a year, agricultural teachers earning $111,000 per year, education administrators earn around $104,000 per year, and physics teachers earn $87,000 per year. And we do see that education administrators for kindergarten through secondary earn $79,000 per year. Top employers will be your school districts. Our biggest is Wake County School District, and this is one of the largest districts in the entire United States, covering pretty much all of Raleigh. And then those 3 Tier 1 universities we talk about, those are major employers as well, in addition to the Research Triangle Park, where a lot of research is done in academia. Academia? Yeah, I think I said that wrong. Moving on. Engineering and manufacturing. We have a big need for that here in Raleigh. If you're on the technical side of things, then great. This is a good way to make money. Usually requires a little less on the education side, especially if you do manufacturing and less engineering. I'm not a technical person, I'm not good with my hands, but maybe you are, and if so, great, let's get into it. Aerospace engineers earn $123,000. If you're looking for a career in nuclear power reactor operation, $115,000. Engineers in general earn around $106,000 in North Carolina. Environmental engineers earn $96,000. Industrial engineers earn $92,000. Civil engineers earn $92,000. And finally, engineering technologists and technicians earn $70,000 per year. Now, our engineering and manufacturing hub in Raleigh is growing at 6 times the national average. That's important to note. Our top employers include Biogen, Cree, MetLife, Cognizant, ABB, Siemens, social sciences, and research. Again, we're the largest research hub in the United States, so top employers include the Tier 1 universities, the Research Triangle Park, and the Wake County government. Sociologists earn $106,000 per year. Statisticians earn $119,000 per year. Operations research analysts earn $95,000 per year. Market research analysts and marketing specialists earn $75,000 per year. Psychologists on average earn $93,000 per year. Political science teachers earn $93,000 a year. Clinical and counseling psychologists earn $93,000 per year. And social work teachers earn $70,000 per year. As the state's capital, Raleigh does have a big legal and law sector, and we're going to dive into that now. Lawyers earn $146,000 a year if you have what it takes to become one. Like we discussed, law teachers earn $142,000 per year. Administrative law judges and hearing officers earn $90,000 per year. Transportation inspectors earn $84,000 a year. Claims adjusters, examiners, and investigators earn $71,000 per year. Legal support workers earn $74,000 per year. First-line supervisors of police and detectives earn $72,000 per year. Top employers include the North Carolina Department of Justice, the North Carolina Judicial Branch, the Wake County government, and 2 law firms that are major employers here are Poynter Spruill LLP, I hope I'm pronouncing that right, and Parker Poe Adams and Bernstein LLP. If you're looking for a job here, then one question you might still have is, how much do I need to comfortably afford a living here in Raleigh? I made a video breaking down the cost of living for Raleigh, North Carolina. Make sure you click on this video next so you can watch that right now, and I'll see you there.